having to give up surfing after 50-odd years of being in the water. I did not want to, but I had no choice. My wife and I moved to Long Beach. We bought this apartment back in 2006. I've been surfing here since, at that point, since 1966. And it's a very active community, and this is where I wanted to be. Whether I surfed or not, I just didn't have the concept that I wouldn't be able to surf. So we moved down here. The active community on the boardwalk, the community itself in general, a lot of activity going on. This was the place for me to retire, for us to retire together. Giving up surfing, I figured eventually I would probably be too old to surf, but not yet. Well, I had knee replacement surgery in June of 2022, and following subsequent PT, and it left me with a certain bend to my knee, and I was out of the water at that point because of the knee surgery, and I did not think I was going to be able to surf again. I was ready to just give it up, get rid of the boards. Right after the surgery, it was that first month was hell. Prior to and after the surgery, I was somewhat depressed about my physical condition. Not only the knee, I knew I'd be able to walk again, but how much could I really exercise? Will I stay in shape? Will I be able to do other things as well? Will I be able to run around with my grandson and granddaughter? PT was okay. I mean, it got me to where I was mobile, but I wanted to be back to the levels of activity that I was before. I just knew that it had to be more. There had to be more that I could do. I wasn't going to be stuck in this way with just that, limited range of motion. Bumped into Cody, Sean, and Justin from Active Life while the space was being prepared, and spoke with them outside. I was hobbling by with a cane just about a month after the surgery, and we spoke about myself, my knee, my goals, and I stayed in touch with Cody, and as soon as I finished PT, I signed up. Cody asked me, what are my goals? And my goal was to get back into the water and be able to surf. That was enough of a goal. If I could surf, I could do anything. He said, we could help you. We'll get you there. It'll take so many sessions. And then I signed up. Kate evaluated my range of motion with various parts of my hands, my ankles, my knees, what have you. And we started working out immediately. That was in the end of February. At Active Life, it was very focused. We knew what the goal was, and Kate and Cody explained exactly the process that would happen. Everything hurt at first, believe me. The foam rolling, the wrist bending, each of the exercises was certainly a challenge, but I was up for the challenge, and I knew that the outcome would be better than it was without having the activity. It was actually fun. I looked forward to it. I still do. The exercises are varied. I have homework that I come home to. I get an Active Life email rather, and I have activities to do every single day, exercise activities. And I'm in the gym right now at Active Life 3 days a week in the Ascend program. And I was doing 3 days a week from the end of February right through till I transitioned into Ascend. It was a great experience.
Stay low. Good. Here you go.
Timing is critical.
Mm-hmm. A little bit faster. Yeah. We'll get there though. This is the first time we're doing this.
Yeah. With the program, my confidence has developed leaps and bounds, and it's been more than just here, just in general, just feeling more confident and doing things more confidently. So that's very important to me. It's been more than just a physical activity, which I think is very positive. Well, Active Life is, again, all-encompassing. It includes a mental component with confidence, nutrition as well. The exercises was not like being in a quote-unquote gym. All right, very tailor-made, very specific, and building capacity to accomplish those exercises was very interesting for me. We had sessions where we talked about pain threshold, for example, besides just nutrition as well, and confidence in general. Larry, are you going to be able to surf again? Well, I hope so. No, you will be able to surf again. And that's what it instilled in me. It's an environment that is just totally positive. Everyone there is positive. Even working out and watching other people work out, everybody has a smile on their face. The biggest surprise for me was accomplishing what the goal was. I really was not sure. I was unsure at first. I thought, let's give it a shot. Bought the first 12 sessions, and after that it was good to go. I didn't think I would go from session 1 to session 12 feeling as good as I did. Seeing the outcomes, the positive outcomes in that short period of time, we're talking about a month. It worked for my knee, but it worked for me in general. All right, it worked for my health, my mental state, building that confidence. I just knew that this was going to be an overall success for me. And here we are today and getting back into the water. First time since late August 2021. Excited. No problem.
First time swimming in 2 years, and felt great.
I intend to surf until I can't surf any longer for whatever reason it may be, whether it's physical or the ultimate. I intend to be able to walk, cycle, surf, continue an active life. I don't see this ending at this point. We have an expiration date. Okay, whenever that date may be, I don't see one for me at this point.